Hello and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are reading chapter number 3 of this amazing book, Eat That Frog, which talks about 21 ways of beating your procrastination. All right. How to stop procrastination. The formula number 3 that this book talks about is the 80-20 principle. Apply the 80-20 rule to everything. Let's quickly hop into the book and read what does Brian Tracy has to share with us. All right. Apply the 80-20 rule to everything. We always have time enough. If we will put, we will, but use it all right. This is said by Wolfgang von Goethe. Goethe. We always have time enough if we will, but use it all right. The 80-20 rule is one of the most helpful of all concepts of time and life management. It is also called the Pareto principle after its founder, the Italian economist Vilfredo Pareto, who first wrote about it in 1895. Pareto noticed that people in his society seemed to divide naturally into what he called the vital few, the top 20% in terms of money and influence, and the tribal many, the bottom 80%. Okay. So he later discovered that virtually all economic activities was subject to the Pareto principle as well. For example, this rule says that 20% of your activities will account for 80% of your results. 20% of your customers will account to 80% of your sales. 20% of your products or services will account for 80% of your profits. 20% of your tasks will account for 80% of the value of what you do, and so on. This means that if you have a list of 10 items to do, though 2 of those items will turn out to be worth as much or more than the other 8 items put together. We all know कि सब कुछ एक काम हम कर लेते हैं तो हमारे को लगता है कि हाँ pressure of the day has been released, right? Number of tasks versus importance of task. Here it is an interesting discovery. Each of the 10 tasks may take the same amount of time to accomplish, but 1 or 2 of those tasks will contribute 5 or 10 times the value as any of the others. Hi Madhura, thank you for joining in.
Am I audible? Yeah. Thank you, Rashmi.
So today we are talking about the 80-20 rule that was given to us by Pareto. That is also known as Pareto principle. Have you heard of it, Madhura?
No.
So the 80-20 rule says that there are 20% of this task that you do is as big as the rest of the 80% of the task. We know that there are times when we have a big, huge task to do on our to-do list, which is once done, we feel that we have basically accomplished everything for the day, right?
Okay.
Often one item on the list, on a list of 10 things that you have to do can be worth more than all the other 9 items put together. This task is invariably the frog that you should eat first. Can you guess on which items the average person is most likely to procrastinate? The sad fact is that most people procrastinate on the top 10 or 20% of the items that are most valuable and important, the vital few. They busy themselves instead with the least important 80% and the tribal many that contribute very little to the result. If you know that you want to be a successful coach, maybe um, preparing for your master classes, preparing for your webinars, your social media presence are few things that are a must. And whereas your list of the to-do list may comprise of, you have to do all the household chores, you have to do the laundry, you have to do everything, cooking, and then you have to do the social media posting, then you have to do the interaction with your own tribe, then you have to do I don't know what all, right? Maybe you have to prepare some presentation, but there will be one task जिसको करने से इनफैक्ट entire day में और कुछ हो ना हो, you will feel much more satisfied. And the sad part is we normally say कि ये छोटे छोटे काम कर लेती हूँ तो ये तो बड़ा सारा काम तो वैसे ही हो जाएगा, ये बड़ा टास्क एंड के लिए रखती हूँ so that I'll do it later. And we keep on procrastinating on the most important task that needs to be done. Focus on activities versus accomplishments. You often see who appear to be busy all day long, but they seem to accomplish very little. This is almost always because they are busy doing things that are of low value, while they procrastinate on the one or two activities that, if they completed them quickly and well, could make a real difference to their companies and to their careers. That is what I just, spoke about as well. There are things that are actually very important and there are things that are not so important. अगर if I keep on thinking कि मेरा laundry हो जाएगी, मेरे बच्चों का खाना हो जाएगा, मेरा ये हो जाएगा, मेरा वो हो जाएगा, उसके बाद मैं पढ़ना शुरू करूंगी, then I think I will be mistakenly doing things wrong in a wrong way. I would rather prioritize my studying and integrate other things in between. The most valuable tasks you can do each day are often the hardest and most complex. But the payoff and the rewards for completing these tasks efficiently can be tremendous. For this reason, you must adamantly refuse to work on tasks in the bottom 80% while you still have tasks in the top 10% left to be done. So it is the author is saying that 80% को छोड़ दो, 20% जो मुश्किल लग रहा है पहले उसको accomplish करो and don't focus on the 80%. Before you begin work, always ask yourself, is this task in the top 20% of my activities or in the bottom 80%? Rule says resist the temptation to clear up small things first, because that is exactly what we do. कि चल यार ये तो 10 मिनट का काम है, ये करके खत्म करती हूँ, ये करके खत्म करती हूँ, फिर एक बड़ा रह जाएगा ना, उसको कर लेंगे later. Do you agree that you also get into this trap sometimes?
Yes, that's true. For
Madhura, I would love
example,
to know what is that.
हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे कि वॉशिंग मशीन लगाना है, फिर उसके बाद बेबी के लिए फूड बनाना है, ये टाइम 10 minutes, but important task is after meeting. If I'm working, then after meeting I have some work to do which is important, but it keeps on delaying because of household cause. So
Yes.
yeah, that's said is right according to this.
And what is that one task that you are procrastinating on right now?
Currently, actually, uh, self studying, or I mean to say, for my health, I should improve is like exercising, and not I'm not procrastinating, but it's uh, dealing with time. So basically, it is getting more and more delayed when to start, how to start. It's not just uh, get into that and do it, but it's delaying, or you can say, procrastinating in that.
Yes. All right. Remember, whatever you choose to do over and over eventually becomes a habit that is hard to break. If you choose to start your day with a low value task, you soon develop a habit of always starting and working on the low value tasks. This is not the kind of habit you want to develop or keep. So if even so it's not about only the task, even if you're not choosing to do any of the tasks, that is also building a habit. Ki, okay, I'll do it later. The hardest part of any important task is getting started on it in the first place. Once you actually begin work on a valuable task, you seem to be naturally motivated to continue. There is a part of your mind that loves to be busy working on significant tasks that can really make a difference. Your job is to feed this part of your mind continually. All right. So, normally speaking, हम लोगों को we are humans, and we, getting to start anything is the only problem area for us. एक बार start कर देंगे फिर तो पता ही है, then we will start doing it. But that starting point, that push, needs ourselves to motivate yourself. Just think about starting and finishing an important task motivates you and helps you to overcome procrastination. The fact is that the amount of time required to complete an important job is often the same as the time required to do an unimportant job. The difference is that you get a tremendous feeling of pride and satisfaction from completion of the what is this? From completion of something valuable and significant. However, when you complete a low value task using the same amount of time and energy, you get little or no satisfaction at all. And there are times जब हमारे को सेम ही अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम लगना होता है, बट वी फील अगर लो वैल्यू टास्क के ऊपर इतना टाइम लगा है तो जस्ट इमेजिन ये बोले बड़े टास्क पे कितना ज्यादा टाइम लगने वाला है, एंड हेंस वी डोंट गेट इनटू गेटिंग इट डन एज वेल. Time management is really life management, personal management. It is really taking control over the sequence of events. Time management is control over what you do next. And you are always free to choose the task that you will do next. Your ability to choose between the important and the unimportant is the key determinant of your success in life and work. So, there are mentors who also say, there are tasks that we need not put our, heads into. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम लोग कहते हैं कि यार खाना मैं नहीं बनाऊंगी तो कोई और नहीं खाएगा, मेरे घर वाले खाना नहीं खाएंगे, मेरे घर वाले खाना कैसे खाएंगे अगर मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा. बट द रियलिटी इज वी कैन पे some money to somebody who can become, cook and go. बट वी चूज कि हम नहीं, हमको ही खाना बनाना है बिकॉज मैं खाना बनाऊंगी तो लोग खाना खाएंगे. There are homes like mine as well, wherein my husband wants कि wife should cook only. But then what do I choose to do? I have the house help for all the other things. I don't do anything other than cooking. So you can save your time by getting things done by others. और डेलीगेट टास्क कभी आप कर लो, कभी कोई और कर ले, कभी कोई और कर ले. इफ आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू बी इन टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अ जॉइंट फैमिली, एंड till many years, I had my there was a day when my jethani would cook, there was a day when I would cook. But unfortunately, at that time, I was not on this journey of coaching. Now that our kitchens are separate, that we have to do work every day, Abhi, I have to do this and that as well. But then we also have a choice to live it and life as well because we are women and we can do it. Effective, productive people discipline themselves to start on the most important task that is before them. They force themselves to eat that frog, whatever it is. As a result, they accomplished vastly more than an average person and are much happier as a result. This should be your way of working as well. So now the author is giving you how to go about it. He says, make a list of all the key goals, activities, projects, and responsibilities in your life today, and which of them are or could be in the top 10% or 20% of the tasks that represent or could represent 80% or 90% of your results. So we can do this activity right now so that it becomes a action plan for us as well. So Madhura, I would love for you to make a list of all the key goals, activities, projects, and responsibilities in your life today. Let's
Um,
do this right away.
okay.
एंड जब आप लिस्ट बना लोगे तो यू हैव टू पुट उसके आगे ये डालो कि विच ऑफ देम आर और कुड बी in the top 10 or 20% of tasks that represent or could represent 80 or 90% of your results. कि आपका 90% रिजल्ट अचीव हो जाता है ये काम करने से. वो वाले टास्क कौन से हैं? You can circle them as well so that you prioritize those activities to be the first things to be done every single day. Let me know as and when you are done with this.
Yes, Akarashma. It's done.
Okay. And point number two, Brian Tracy says, resolve today that you are going to spend more and more of your time working on those few areas that can really make a difference in your life and career, and less time on lower value activities. Can we promise doing that?
Yes.
Can I hear what is your most important activity, Madhura?
The most important activity is to uplift my health and improve stamina.
Uh, Work on your health and
Yeah, it's kind of improve the stamina or the energy level.
okay. And what is it that you need to do to improve your stamina or improve your health?
So basically, there are two things. One is healthy diet,
Mm-hmm.
and the other is a bit of exercise.
ओके, अभी इसके अंदर और हेल्प करूं?
Hmm.
So while now healthy diet, do you cook yourself?
Yes, not even myself, but for a whole family.
हाँ हाँ. So do you have a joint family or a single? You're a nuclear family.
Yeah, it's a joint.
Okay. So do you have a diet plan that you need to follow, or you have to just consider having the healthier choices?
No diet plan right now, but healthy choices.
Okay. So healthy choices, so in any case you can make it for the family as well. कि you want to have more salads, तो salads सबके लिए भी बन सकता है, right?
Right.
And what about the exercise? Do you have a particular timing that you want to do these exercises?
I would prefer morning because the baby is sleeping.
And so what I can suggest you is, normally what you can do is
Mm-hmm.
you can do a habit stacking. Now, what does that mean is, um, जो भी आप already करते हो as a habit, that is, for example, brushing your teeth. As soon as you wake up, you brush your teeth, or as soon as you wake up, you drink some water. What is it that you do the first thing in the morning?
Uh, I just check phone and then move to kitchen for cooking
Acha,
because
you
I leave by 8:30 in the morning
acha, you leave. And what time do you get up?
at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. 6 a.m. you wake up and 8:30 you leave. Before that, you have to cook as well. And how long does it take to cook food?
Depends on what not we have to cook. Sometimes it's nearly three things like uh, cooking two sabzis and one salad, or actually, basically, two sabzis are necessary because of joint family, and one salad. You can say three things.
So it should take around 1 hour, right?
Right.
So if you get up at 6 a.m., what you can do is, the first thing, instead of looking at your phone, the first thing
Mm-hmm.
in the morning, what you can do is put on your sports shoes.
Okay.
Then you rush to the kitchen. किचन में 1 घंटा
Mm.
काम करो. 6:15 पे भी अगर किचन में जाओगे, 7:15 तक खत्म हो जाएगा.
Uh,
7:15 से 7:30 ओनली डू वर्कआउट.
mm-hmm.
7:30 पे you start getting ready for your work, and 8:30 you leave for work.
Okay.
So
We'll
when
try
you,
that from tomorrow.
how you can try this, because uh while you are traveling towards your office, you can scroll the phone,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
And
Mm-hmm.
normally, what my mentor used to tell me when I was on the weight loss journey and I was towards my healthy lifestyle, she used to tell me, ki, what do you do first thing in the morning? I was like, I wake up and I put on my slippers and I go to washroom, I brush my teeth. And she said, instead
Uh,
of putting on your slippers, put on your sports shoes. I was like, all
mm,
right. And once I started doing that, it started telling me, अरे जूते तो पहने हैं, मतलब अब थोड़ी देर की बात है, थोड़ी देर तो कर ले करिश्मा वर्कआउट.
mm.
And once you have it on, and then before you go to sleep, then I would make sure now by my bedside I have my shoes and socks ready.
Okay.
That will start programming my mind. Yo, morning may I have to get up and wear my shoes.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I suggested the same thing to you as well. Instead of getting into the phone and doing all of it, let's start doing this and see if you can include, workouts from tomorrow itself. And it would be great to hear back from you ki did it actually work for you or not. Otherwise, we have
Yeah.
another like this one is like a third way of beating procrastination. We have 21 more ways to go. We can apply any of these, right?
Yeah.
Chalo. I hope that was helpful. And thank you for joining in. I assume you have scheduled a one-on-one call for today itself, right?
Yes, right.
That is at 6 p.m. Have you got the link or should I send it to you?
I no, I have received through email.
Yes. Chalo, theek hai. See you at 6 p.m. with in a one-on-one call. And till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.